In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best power supply available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the power supply mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, DP100 Compact DC Power Supply. The DP100 is a sleek, high-performance bench power supply designed for labs and electronics enthusiasts. Featuring PD/QC fast charging protocols, hardware protections, and a clear 0.96 IPS screen, it's powerful yet compact. Its intelligent anti-burning design enhances safety, while the modern look fits any workspace. Ideal for educational labs or tech hobby setups, it delivers value, safety, and smart design at a great price. Number 4, RD-DPS 5020 DC Power Supply. The RD-DPS 5020 is a feature-packed power supply perfect for communication and industrial benches. It delivers up to 20A with a resolution of 0.01V for pinpoint accuracy. Equipped with user-friendly PC software and an Android app, it allows flexible control. The auto fan control ensures efficient cooling and silent operation. This precision power source is ideal for demanding applications that require tight voltage control and ease of use. Number 3, KUAIQU DC Lab Power Supply. The KUAIQU adjustable DC lab power supply is engineered for precision and quiet performance. With global voltage input and a high-visibility LED display, it's great for battery charging, phone repair, and lab work. Its robust internal protections ensure safety during extended use. A temperature-controlled fan reduces noise while enhancing lifespan. Whether you're a technician or a hobbyist, the KUAIQU offers excellent value and reliable voltage regulation. Number 2, Wanptek DC Power Supply. The Wanptek DC Power Supply stands out for versatility and safety. Its USB fast charging port, 4-window dual-color display, and automatic CV/CC switching make it ideal for repair benches and electronics labs. It operates quietly thanks to a temperature-controlled fan and offers long-term durability. Built for global usage and high precision, this is a budget-friendly and professional-grade choice for anyone needing consistent power delivery. Number 1, YIHUA 3010D 3 DC Power Supply. The YIHUA 3010D 3 is compact yet powerful, ideal for labs and DIY electronics. It offers a precise 4-digit display for voltage and current monitoring, ensuring reliable output for sensitive devices. Built for durability, it supports 24-hour full-load operation and includes intelligent protection features against overcurrent, overheating, and short circuits. Its fan cooling keeps performance stable, making it a dependable lab bench power solution for professionals and hobbyists alike.